What's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. Alright, so how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use cucumber and Vaseline to reverse your age. Like, this is actually gonna help a 50-year-old woman look 18. Like, this is an amazing ingredient. It's actually going to make you look super duper young and beautiful. So why not give this a go and see how it changes your whole life? Because when it changes your skin, you are literally gonna be very happy. So let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's go. Alright guys, so to turn a 50-year-old woman to looking really young, at least 18, you're going to be needing this. This natural ingredient is actually going to do the job. This is carrot. Now carrot contains an ingredient that helps so much for the skin, and it also helps in the body. It helps so much for ageness, and it helps to make your skin look really smooth. It rejuvenates the skin and remove wrinkles. Now when you don't have wrinkles, when your skin had tight and fresh, looking young, there's no way you're going to be looking age. So we're going to be peeling the carrots. And then I'm gonna be cutting it. Then get a blender, put it together. Keep that aside. Now we're equally going to be needing to use banana. Now when it comes to moisturizing of the skin, banana is an excellent remedy that helps so much in moisturizing the skin and make the skin look super young. Banana helps so much for the skin because it helps to maintain the skin youthness. So when it comes to reversing your skin ageness, you need banana. So I'm going to be taking just a few of this banana. I'm going to be putting it into the same bowl where I'm going to be blending the carrots so it could blend together. So after that is done, then I'm going to be blending it. Okay guys, so now I'll have to blend it. Okay guys, so this is the cucumber and the banana well blended. Now I'm going to be turning it into a bowl. So this is how it is. It's smooth and it's great enough to apply on the face. So now I'm actually going to be putting a little bit of Vaseline. you're gonna be needing Vaseline. Now if you don't have Vaseline, guys, you can actually use your coconut oil. Okay, if you break out with Vaseline, you can use your coconut oil. It's very friendly when it comes to that. So I'm gonna be putting in my Vaseline, and then I'm gonna make sure that it mixes very well. And this is it. Okay guys, so the very last ingredient will be cucumber. Now cucumber is an amazing ingredient that helps so much to firm up the skin and turn your age to younger. Okay, it helps so much to remove all of those pigments and make you look super duper young. Now with the ingredients that contains in cucumber and plus the water, it helps to maintain your skin. Now when you're using it with all of this ingredient that I just put together, even if you're 60 years old, you're going to be looking so young. Alright, so now I would have to blend my cucumber. Now after blending it, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sieve the juice out, because the juice is actually what I'll be needing. I don't need the chaff in this particular one. Alright, so I didn't sieve too much because I don't need so much of it. So this is just the juice that I've been needing, and now I would have to be turning it into the mix and then mix it really well. Okay, this is great. Alright guys, so now let's go apply this onto our face and have our skin looking super duper young and radiant. So you can actually use this onto your face for about 2 to 3 times in a week, and that ageness on your face, on your skin, is going to begin to go, and your skin is going to be looking flawless, no wrinkles and no fine lines. So let's go use it on our face. Okay guys, so for today you have to excuse me to apply it on my hands and just show you. Now these things are actually very good to apply on your face, on your neck and on your skin, equally on your hands. You know, there are some people that their hands look older than their body, so you need this a whole lot to, you know, revise that and make you look really beautiful. Okay, so you apply this on your hands, your face, your neck, and equally on your body. So when you want to apply it on your body, you have to go into the washroom, you know, take off your dress and then apply everything onto your face down to your body. And after which you apply it, then you have to give it a gentle scrub. This way, gentle scrub like this. So after which you scrub it this way, you have to hold it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then after that you can actually go wash it off with lukewarm water. You have to use a lukewarm water so that the Vaseline could actually leave your skin. And when you want to use a lotion, you have to use a lotion that does not, make you dry up your skin and make you look dry and irritated. Okay, you have to use a very good cream, a mild cream that would make you glow. And that's the way you're gonna go, and this ingredient will continue working for you when you make effort to at least use some lotions that are very, very good too. So that's it, guys. It is an amazing ingredient and I love it so well. I'm actually using my skin as an illustration. It therefore means that you can use it on your skin, on your hands, on your face, and on your neck. Literally anywhere you feel comfortable to use it, you can just use it, and it is an amazing ingredient. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.